What's something people don't know about antique typewriters? Some have a mind of their own, and they might just tell you a future you'd rather not know. In a dimly lit room sits an antique typewriter. Dust clings to its keys, long forgotten. But tonight it awakens. Click, click, click. The typewriter starts to type, on its own. The storm will come, it writes. And then crash, thunder roars outside. Each word it types predicts a horrifying event. He will vanish, it clacks. And the next day someone goes missing. What would you do? Would you dare read its next message? Or would you try to silence it forever? The old typewriter knows your future, and it's dying to tell you. Next time you see an antique typewriter, beware of what it might say. # haunted typewriter, # future horror, # creepy shorts.